First of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great, mighty great God, let us discuss in today's session. Let us start from the divergence of a vector field. Divergence of a vector field. In the last lecture, we have done the divergence of a vector field. Today, I will discuss the special three cases of the divergence. See, what's the formula of divergence? Let us say this f vector is any vector field. This f vector is any vector field. F vector is any vector field, and divergence of f vector can be written like this: del dot f, del dot f, del dot f. This is called divergence of vector field. And let us discuss special case 1. If del dot f is positive, if del dot f is positive, it means divergence of f is positive. Or divergence of f is positive. This means that please write, this means that there is some source of fluid. There is some source of fluid at that point. There is some source of fluid at that point, or the fluid is expanding, or fluid is expanding from that point. Fluid is expanding from that point. I need to say, so the diagram would be like this. Let us say this is the point. If this is this means that divergence is positive. Divergence is positive. I mean to say, see, fluid is expanding. Okay, flux is expanding. Fluid is expanding from that point. Divergence is positive. And for the negative, what will happen? Special case 2. Special case 2. If del dot f is negative. So this is also called as divergence means to expand. Divergence means to expand. So the diagram would be like this. If the del dot f is negative, so the lines of forces will be converging at this point. Okay. So we can see that all the lines will converge at this point. So it means at this point fluid is contracting. Fluid is contracting. Fluid is contracting. Okay. Fluid is contracting at that point. Okay, noted. This is for the positive divergence. This is for the negative divergence. This is for the divergence. Divergence is negative. And for the special case 3, let us say I will write here that special case 3. If del dot f is 0, what does this mean? It means the number of lines will entering will be equal to the number of lines leaving. जितनी lines अंदर आ रही है उतनी ही lines बाहर जा रही है. So this is also called a source point. This is also called a source point. This is also called a sink. So this is called a source. This is called a sink. And for divergence 0, neither source nor sink. neither source nor sink. It means flux entering is equal to flux leaving. Flux entering is equal to flux leaving. So this is for the zero divergence. This is for the zero divergence. So discuss the, and this is also called a, if delta F is equal to 0, then this F vector is also called a solenoidal vector field. This is called a solenoidal vector field. In the last lecture we have told you that if del dot F is equal to 0, this simply implies that this F vector is a solenoidal vector. Solenoidal vector field. This is a solenoidal vector field. Okay. And we have done a numerical on this also. मैंने आपको घर के लिए एक numerical दिया था, किया आपने? इसमें we have to find out the value of c. कितना आंसर आता है उसका? c की वैल्यू आनी थी -2. ठीक है? Please write this. ठीक है? Solenoidal vector field. If delta F is 0, please also write in the box. If delta F is equal to 0, then this F vector is a solenoidal vector field. Okay. Can you run this? Yes, sir. रब कर दो इसके. आज करते हैं कर्ल ऑफ अ वेक्टर फील्ड. कर्ल ऑफ अ वेक्टर फील्ड. कर्ल. ठीक है. यू हैव डन अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स. आपने डॉट प्रोडक्ट किया था ना. ठीक है. किसी भी दो वेक्टर्स की डॉट प्रोडक्ट हमें क्या आंसर देती है? स्केलर. क्या देती है? स्केलर क्वांटिटी. ए डॉट बी गिव मी अ स्केलर एंड ए क्रॉस बी ये मुझे क्या देती है? ए क्रॉस बी मुझे क्या देती है? वेक्टर. ओके. ए डॉट बी गिव्स मी स्केलर एंड ए क्रॉस बी गिव मी अ वेक्टर.
दिखाना वेक्टर.
Similarly, when I will do the divergence of any vector field, it will give me a del dot F. It will give me a scalar. Give me a scalar. Similarly, if I will take a curl means cross. Curl means cross product. Divergence means dot product. Curl means cross product. Curl means cross product. Curl means cross product. And divergence means dot product. It will give me a curl will give me a vector point. Will be a vector. And this will be a scalar. This will be a scalar. Okay, fine. It means if I take the del cross F, this is called a curl of a vector. This is called a curl of a F vector. Curl of a F vector. I can write this like it as a curl of F vector is equal to del cross F, and it will yield me a vector quantity. It yields me a vector. Just like this. This one and this one. So that is why we have done much more efforts on the vector algebra, especially for the dot product and cross product. इसी कारण हमने डॉट प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट पे ज्यादा मेहनत की थी. क्यों? क्योंकि आने वाले समय में हमें किससे डील करना है? डेल ऑपरेटर से करना है. और हमने डेल का तीन तरह से इस्तेमाल किया है. एक बार हमने डेल का क्या लिया? ग्रेडियंट लिया ऑन द स्केलर फंक्शन. एक बार हमने क्या लिया, डेल का डाइवर्जेंस लिया, और लास्ट में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, डेल का क्या ले रहे हैं हम, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं. वी आर यूजिंग डेल एज अ थ्री डिफरेंट, we are using del as a for the three different tasks. First is for the gradient purpose, second is for the divergence, and the last but not least is for the curl. Is for the curl. So let us write this. Please write a definition. Curl of a vector field. The curl of a vector at any point. The curl of a vector. The curl of a vector at any point in a vector field, the curl of a vector at any point in a vector field is a vector whose magnitude is equal to line integral per unit area, whose magnitude is equal to line integral per unit area, per unit area around the boundary of an infinitesimal area around the boundary of an infinitesimal area drawn around that point and whose direction is along the normal to the area, जैसे हम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करते हैं ना, वैसे ही है ये कर्ल भी. ठीक है. सो इट कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस, del cross f is, let us say f is any vector field, and let us say f vector is equal to fx I cap, okay, plus fy j cap plus fz k cap. So take the del cross f, take the cross product. So curl of f vector is equal to del cross f is equal to, how we can calculate the del cross f, how we can calculate, see, first of all we have to take the determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. What are the coefficients of del? What is del vector? Del vector is equal to I cap curly by curly x plus j cap curly by plus k cap curly by curly z. And what about f? F vector is this one. So what are the coefficients of this? What are the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap? I will write here curly by curly x curly by curly y curly by curly z. Okay, loaded. Patrick. Okay. And for the f, I will write a fx, fy. Now apply the same method for the cross product. Please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer. So what answer is I cap curly by of fz minus curly by z of fy. Okay. Okay, got it, Patrick. ठीक है. For j cap minus j cap, what's the answer? Put hand on this. Take the determinant of this curly by curly x of fz minus curly by curly z of fx. And for the k cap plus k cap, what's the answer? I will put hand on this curly by curly x fy minus curly by of fx. This is the answer, del cross f, or this is called a curl f. So this is answer. This is the answer. Curl F. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do a numerical on it. करें numerical.
Front side.
ठीक है. तो numerical ये है. Show that curl of a no simple करते हैं. Show that find curl R. Find curl R. Find curl R. Curl of R. It means what we have to calculate? Del cross R. Okay. I have to calculate R. Okay. Del cross R. How we can calculate? What is R vector?
Sir, R vector.
R vector is equal to
R vector is equal to I
xi cap plus yj cap plus
A gap.
del cap. Take the cross product. Del cross R is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay.
X Y Z.
Curly y, curly x, curly y, curly y, curly y, curly z. Take off x, y.
Z.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, collaborate. Lushman, Patrick, Vikas Yadav, Dayal. Okay. How we can calculate? This is our curl R. This is called our curl R. Del cross R, or this is called our curl R. Curl of R. So what's the answer? I cap. What's the answer? I cap. यहाँ पे हाथ रखिए. Put hand on this. Curly y of z minus curly y of y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.